these are all the buildings, that is the cloud. These are all affected trees because of acid rain. These are the chimneys, that is the car. They are showing air pollution. They release sulfur dioxide SO2 and nitrogen oxide NOx into the air. These gases rise up and mix with cloud. Inside the cloud, they react with water vapor. This reaction causes sulfuric and nitric acid. When the cloud gets heavy and it rains, the rain carries these acids down to the earth, and this is called acid rain.
What is the harmful effect of acid rain?
Harmful effects: it spreads pollution, it spreads chemical reaction, it affects on plants, on buildings,
What should we do
on water.
to protect ourselves?
We should reduce air pollution and we should be driving less and using public transportation. The best way to reduce acid rain is to reduce the pollution that causes it.
Very nice model. What is your name? Huh? Jointly worked on this? Very nice.
And what is your name, baby?
Fahi Faraz.
ये क्लाउड बड़ा अच्छा है. Very simple, very effective. Very nice. ये क्या है?